The digestive system is a group of organs working together to convert food into energy and other basic nutrients. Do you know where digestion begins? Not in your stomach, but here in your mouth. Digestion breaks food into smaller parts so your body can use it for energy and growth. The major parts include mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. From the moment food enters your mouth to the moment waste exits your body, an incredible process unfolds the exact nutrients and eliminate waste. Get ready to learn how your body fuels itself every single day. Digestion begins in the mouth. Here, food is mechanically broken down by the teeth and chemically digested by saliva. Incisors cut, canines tear, and molar grind the food. Salivary glands produces saliva which contains the enzyme amylase that starts breaking down carbohydrate. The tongue helps in mixing food and forming a bolus, a small rounded mass ready to swallow. Let's begin our digestive journey right here in the mouth. As soon as you take a bite of food, digestion begins. Inside the mouth, three important helpers start working right away: the teeth, the tongue, and the salivary glands. Teeth breaks the food into smaller pieces by chewing. This is called mechanical digestion. It makes food easier to swallow and gives more surface area for enzymes for work. The tongue helps mix the food with saliva. It also pushes the food around so it touches all the teeth, and finally it rolls the chewed food into a small bowl called a bolus, ready to be swallowed. Salivary glands releases a watery liquid called saliva. But saliva isn't just water. It contains an important enzyme called salivary amylase. So in the mouth, digestion is both mechanical and chemical. Once the food is soft and ready, the tongue pushes it to back of the mouth and it moves on the next part of the digestive system, the esophagus. Next, the bolus travels down the esophagus. Epiglottis ensure food doesn't enter the windpipe. After leaving the mouth, the food enters a long muscular tube called the esophagus. This is the passageway that connects your throat to your stomach. Inside the esophagus, a special movement called peristalsis pushes the food down. These are wave-like muscles contraction that move the food smoothly to the stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ that performs both mechanical and chemical digestion. Food is churned by the stomach walls. Gastric juices containing hydrochloric acid and pepsin breaks down proteins. The mucus lining protects the stomach from its own acid. After 2 to 4 hours, the food becomes a semi-liquid called chyme, ready to the small intestine. Accessory organs play major roles. Liver produces bile to emulsify fats. Gallbladder stores and releases biles. Pancreas secretes enzymes, lipase, protease, amylase, and bicarbonates to neutralize stomach acid. Whatever not absorbed in the small intestine passes through the large intestine. The colon absorbs water and salts, turning liquid chymes into solid fecus. The rectum stores fecus until elimination. The anus, controlled by anal sphincters, releases waste during defecation. The final steps completes the digestive process, ensuring waste is effectively removed. The stomach is where the real actions begins. Digestive juices and enzymes break down the food that you swallowed. This helps makes nutrients available for absorption later in the small intestine. The digestive juices are powerful hydrochloric acids that kills pathogens in food and give the stomach the low pH digestive enzyme need. The acid could literally dissolve most of the other organs in your body. Likely, your stomach contains a thick mucus lining. However, where there is too much acid in the stomach, it can eat away the inner surface of the stomach, causing an ulcer. The process of digestion takes longer for some types of food than others. Simple carbohydrates such as an energy drink break down the fastest. This explains why many recommended energy drinks for a quick energy boost. Proteins take longer to digest and fats take the longest time of all. The stomach slowly empties its content, which now has the consistency of oatmeal, into your small intestine. The muscles of the small intestines mix food with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and intestine and push the mixture forward for further digestion. The walls of the small intestines are covered by tiny finger-like projections called villi. This projection increases the surface area through which nutrients can be absorbed into your bloodstreams. As peristalsis continues, the waste products of the digestive process move into the large intestines. The large intestines is named for the diameter of the cavity, not for its length. It is actually much shorter than the small intestine. Its role is to absorb any extra water from the digested material before it is finally excreted. If food passes through too quickly, too little water is absorbed and you might have diarrhea. If it passes too slowly, your body absorbs too much water and you may become constipated. It takes about 30 hours for food to move through the large intestine. All in all, the whole process from the time you swallowed food to the time it leaves your body as feces takes about 2 to 4 days. Solid waste is characteristically brown and sticky. Large intestines then emptied its content into the rectum. Its job is to let you know that there is a stool to be evacuated and to hold the stool until that evacuation happens. Food is ingested, broken down, nutrients absorbed, and waste expelled. Each organ plays a vital role and unique roles. The small intestine is over 6 meters long. Your stomach lining renews itself every 3 to 4 days. We produce about 1.5 liters of saliva per day. It's time to check your knowledge. First question. Digestion of food starts in the dash. Answer: mouth. Second question. The enzyme dash is found in saliva and helps break down starch. Answer: salivary amylase. Third question. The food pipe is also called the dash. Answer: esophagus. Fourth question. The stomach produces gastric juice which contain hydrochloric acid and the enzyme dash. Answer: pepsin. Fifth question. The dash intestine is responsible for absorbing most nutrient from digested food. Answer: small intestine. Sixth question. The finger-like projection in the small intestine that absorb nutrients are called dash. Answer: villi. Question number 7. Water is absorbed from undigested food in the dash intestine. Answer: large intestine. Question number 8. The liver produces a digestive juice called dash, which helps in breaking down fats. Answer: bile. Question number 9. The solid waste is stored in the dash before being passed out of the body. Answer: rectum.
Here is an activity for you.
Complete the following table.
Here is the completed table. Here is an assignment for you.
Assignment. Draw a neat and clear diagram of the human digestive system and label the parts.
Check out these resources to deepen your understanding on human digestive system.
Thank you for watching. I hope your brain enjoyed learning as much as your food enjoys the digestive system.